If you have been watching TV or reading newspapers, India's capacity is totally and completely overwhelmed. People cannot even be able to get to a hospital. You have seen it for yourselves. People are dying outside hospitals. So for you to get into a flight today to head for India for treatment, is a bit baffling. Where are you going? Where are you going? There's a complete lockdown in India today. And it is a lockdown that is not the kind of lockdown that we understand here. It's a stay-at-home lockdown. So I think that in terms of specialized help, we may need to think otherwise or supply that ourselves. Because in the long run, that is the only way we are going to deal with it. And that's why we have enhanced, for example, cancer treatment works in this hospital, for example. So as far as that issue is concerned, there will be inconveniences. That I can say for a fact. But these are inconveniences that are going to happen anyway as a result of the situation that pertains in India. As for the AstraZeneca, yes, we have been getting AstraZeneca from India, but under the COVAX facility, we are hoping that there will be other suppliers now from other regions. We are aware, for example, that the Europeans are beefing up their supplies. We are also aware that the Asians, particularly Korea, is also beefing up supplies. And as I said, even in Kenya, we are going to start producing our own, or at least packing our own vaccines.
I will go straight to the question of what you want to call mix and match. But start by assuring you that the people, there were nearly now 1 million people who have received their first dose of AstraZeneca through the COVAX mechanism, which was a donation. We continue to be assured that you are going to get your second dose. As I've always said, we are in constant touch with COVAX. They have assured us that we will get shipments during the month of May. We are waiting for specific dates. I wish to say that you saw that last week we moved the date of the second dose from 8 weeks to 12 weeks. That is in line with the World Health Organization recommendation, where even data showed that if you get your second dose at 12 weeks, you have a better response. You throw a better protection against the virus and for a longer duration. So there is no public health harm, there is no individual health harm when you get this vaccination after 8 weeks. So that shift is going to be communicated and people will be given new dates to get the second dose. And then this brings me to the question of mix and match. The vaccines that the Cabinet Secretary has said, Pfizer and Johnson, will be to extend our vaccination coverage. It will be new people being vaccinated. Johnson is 1 dose. Pfizer will be 2 doses separated for between 3 weeks.